no no de nsɛm so ato yɛ nim we yɛ krata efiri asɛyɛ hɔ aba kyɛ sɛ Boakye communication spokesperson for the president and the government Jubilee House so Kasamafo. President John Mahama holds a presidential media encounter on Wednesday, 10 September. The event is scheduled to take place at the presidency at 8 p.m. The encounter will provide a unique platform for President Mahama to engage the Ghanaian people through the media on pressing national issues, his resetting Ghana agenda, policies, and ongoing projects. It also offers an opportunity for journalists to pose questions directly to the president on a wide range of subjects affecting the nation. Participation will be strictly by accreditation. The presidency looks forward to a productive and engaging session with the media. Spokesperson to the President, Minister Government Communication, Felix Boakye. 8 p.m. I know it's going to be live on most of the media stations. Nana Kwaku Mankwasa Akwadi Otosu Mienu Eden Sembi Abetu Jase 250 bed Asante Regional Hospital project was Sewiano. Was it a idea etching and Niema Sempa ama eba healthcare development in the regional enkoye kra then what in some way etu jasa na yentie nsema nana Kwaku Mankwasa Akwadi Otosu Mienu se wi ahene kan
why Asante is the populous nation in Ghana. They don't say baby so here Greater Accra Regional Hospital compare that to Asante Regional Hospital. If your hospital are one cry numerous debris share Asante region. What Elisa and Abaka so here Regional Hospital. What do you know? One we shall say 2012. Sadly, baby, I'm sure 2015 when we are commissioning. So we are no say I shall say 2015 or 2020. 2020 no say anyway. The union commission we are 2025 still undone. Still undone. So where do you go? Elephant ever. Still undone. I'm so sorry, Sophia. If you dear Abaya Krabadadan, our expiration time, it's a young in 10 months, you seem to be no expiration time. A wounded could be an episode now, also an Juma. Where do you go? Kidina assess a share and that a condition will go in none in either way. Assess. So where do you stand?
And as we are here now. Lamented so painfully. Say we are hospital. Maybe I could draw say by this time I should be in operation and so. Jana JJ mu 250 bed Asante Regional Hospital no. Honsem ena or the two channel. And no approach for ebo modena say womo ebetonsa no more akọ. Baby a kwame bafo abronye ewo na omo che no for offensive conduct. And intino omuko doano na dia sem na abronye kan yentie
or you corrupt on sanin you suna dwene wo fam aye tete yehunu agp for mabanyina ne na dwene wo fam on you suna dwen no ye corrupt aye tete yehunu mumisa me say okasa kwatia by election obi obaye to trasem bia no obate no meboa yate enayi senka mema bronya na mekwaka say NDC MPB senka mekwato na nka ne kontranso ambekọ ba election ahwefo ne atiefo kom ai teteye onu kwase ampanyini no ko betimi ana wontimi ye bisao mo atiefo na mo ngeje se me ana me koka se NDC MPB se ka me kwato no ba bi ogina na ka ne kwante swansi ye be ko ba election nka teteye onu kwase ampanyini no ko betimi ana wontimi mumisa no enne NDC second vice chairman Odwan no etimi ka se senkokwakoto afenyo makina nka yebeye by election wo afitu constituency still ogusu ne namakotia ho NDC communication officer akwatia ono abie na no akase se ampa senkom kwato afenyo makina nka be by election e wo afitu constituency just kombe kunu besine ebeti samre ya asem ni si ye no Ghana Police Service and issue any statement. Minority leader of parliament na NDC for say senke kwakwato na nka another by election ebeba so wo akwati.
Okay, it in some way na abronye di tuja na enamenu nti ya pamatade ahye no etwa ne mfoni di abeto ho kwambafo for offensive conduct. Is it a crime to be a teacher in Ghana? Who have we offended? Aggrieved newly posted teachers from universities and colleges of education unpaid for 8 and 12 months respectively. A church of one Mubusa senti a crime, a bonus obey teacher niana. Na ya fire juma bosumi ngwatwe ko bosumi dumienu ni. Ministry of Education nwe, Ministry of Finance nwe, Controller Accountant General nwe, aseye de. Oh, areho yedie.
Cannot continue to pay while the state benefit ID numbers. In addition, there are a few colleagues whose appointment letters are still unprocessed at the various regional education offices due to some administrative errors that could be easily addressed. These colleagues were rightfully employed and even duly validated when the Ghana Education Service called for a validation exercise in March 2025. Yet, their documents remain unattended to, leaving them stranded and without pay.
One more city see omuntumi nti omlight bill. Eno na ncha aduane kura ho ayeden. Womo colleagues ni bi areho nti omawu. Posting ya. Yede ma womo yede ma koku baabi womo ne kobo obusia ko han adan. Chesa abrabo ni mu ayeden. Abrabo ni mu ayeden. Abrabo ni mu ayeden. Nyame ya doma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de nani e kira santimantem ha. Eye kira. Na oba probo if you china ukuada oba yawada efiada odinam yensa ena ebedu asantimantem akwa probo aka kire one was santimantem delegate say brenu du na say 31st no moto aba na omon kan no na ontu frankai ni omanim na sisi no eno ne ade a wono esre Dr. Lawyer Henry Kwabena Kokofu Ose Emre Du said there should be a change of MPP leadership. Now, but your leadership we know or can about flag bearer and answer national executive and answer constituency and answer regional union and work on once. Dr. Kokofu and the Paya Koba no better train command one chilimuye. Now, Uncle Basse Yaju and West from Dr. Kokofu. Okay, Mami Enkwa Homanu Suti Awamra. Dennis Kwakwa, good morning.
Omanhehe, good morning.
Now, Bob to say.
Rather, I'm here. We take this out or farm food now. So I'm here.
Okay. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Yanyanti, Ampa, the Krata, the phone na gu. I used to say, Yami ya Tomoa. China. Kopim a china ukuada kopim fiada oba probo na enhyehyɛ no yɛ sɛi
Yo mama that's it amentia wa tie ko no afefo nyina no pai sadia wo kan no pepe sanete Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yɛ MPP asanka tunia de ne call election 2024 na yeto abawie ye no yegyina ye ni machinsem da bia results no ko wie ye ne akire nkomodi ebe ye daga wo ban I don't hear Cobas no man, Yena, and the friends say, 2 Bukubu or Manfo. I didn't know my resource. No, I said, yeah, before I say a best year, but I'm not as a suborned dear. A man for the Indian about Dr. Mahmoud Belmi, I saw no intina yet to me any. Dr. Mahmoud Belmi, I did, we was catching a party for 2 to catch a party for, say. Now I take look at the now politics, then Shadan Canabrabo. And MPP for the farm, or as you saw the more Pejana, a fede, but the vice president, the crowd. And to say, I didn't do a corner. You know, results, you are near and on the FSC culture. Some for 4 friends sending Tinny and to me and could more shepherd in the book.
Okay.
Say, your corruption would be necessary. If you are there, they say, or no, Mahmoud Baumi and Tinny will lose you at the hour. And yeah, not just say, I deal with me, I have one party, no. And I say, but you know, one and a party, no, I pull before for the ready party. Yenya saboteur we nyina ma hwehwemu ahodo bebre course yen asante region yen edi kan hwehwemu a edi kan Professor Michael Okoye committee and National Council so compose yen ne de other institutions Conrad Adenauer Foundation ka ho bi Musa dan kwamenyini ni de na so mu nyina abaseka bi wa bote o ma bakeka se results ba ye no se o pese Oheba umia contribution to Kugwa idi na ade a wo de to nchen ayeye because jiche wo hamu tiche mu no de na ese ne de betu de asho no say yo no ni pa ban de ketekete kra na o man on say okọ contest wie na se woni ba Ghana ballot paper so na party ni hawa timi eton wa the next time a party no say kokon foforo no ye do ko bi wa ya na party ni chance ni e wo soro. And then I said, Dr. Mahmoud Belmi, as I come on the sound, also catch say, Uncle Contest, the crab you or party, no, so ya a party in Bonia. I don't tell what about say, or sudden a crumble for debut. Now, bet me, as a source, I party for Nassau, no cost. Now, was I say, the Omoya man, no. So, bet me, I won't say, until no more be man, no, but yeah, my dear child, or yeah, after I put chairman. Said the very party, bet me, I'm sorry. My friend to my Friday to me. 2028 me abu omanya den koso ani ahotoba magana for papa enu ntia me adom a ochina obedu a obesha say a group region into zones you are blocking so the be ya within a short time obetumi aye we ye jato a onu anka say dikaya wo si from the aba and this jato no just the map constituency mu mpanimfo no so de akofo sana Dr. Mahmoud Belmi si for Mankasa Bear campaign. I don't know the share constituency executives. And an annual conclave. You see, 19th July for a conference. Who tell you proposal conference I kui. And I Belmian Kwan, a sitting client conference now conference in the crown can see a trick actually. And I wait on a waiting her. And media me friend about me a conference. I never acquire Belmi conference, the Yema party for the say. Me amai me da bi am better of video so am no din komo ma no den na mo tweme na me kona me ba no me bank e beto no na me adoma January no e da ye ko enka November July no na me nto aba ntinka me kasa sa akwa aba no kra me ntubi baba o me conference ne say ye won crofo motion hunu te se me die bi ya tu ye ho asom party no kwan bebre so bi election kra o koye no I want the constituency of Luzu Yana region more Luzu Yana election or Boka. I didn't who see or no be been to be crowd didn't go by a Baba Kwanami. So Uncle Funi now some muscle they do separate take decision at Saturday. Yeah, Ben January 31st as a Sabi here. I notice any panel 2024. Yeah, none from the baby no goes down of a campaign on the ones that I be. Why because no one was a party on town. I don't know about conference in Namas, Uncle Funi to me, you say. Anya fe kura no ye do mu de so masom enti ye take decision it is say ya o ma take bida enu nti ye mo meka ho enu nti former officers of the party from the constituency kwesi national obi a constituency ni bi obekwa kotia wo
enti kwakwa yemhwe enchichemu no ene sen emre no nti wa adaroma
say me fa abre ne kakra na no last week o say mo ye for the man ye de enti na
kwakwa
Oma titemu na meka kire wi na na
any one no je ntema me misro
enti Okodru or Trevor say dance. Or dance in your constituencies is near war I dance for Mena, New Dubiasa, dance Asuka, or Boise East, or Boise West. And I dance here crew for the share more than so can really meet Edika crowd, Dr. Mahmoud Bobby. Here we are, Boka, a man see, so never be quiet. But any animal was some train. Now, Manso Dubia, Manson Quanta, Odo to breathe. Yes.
Hello. Dennis Kwakwa.
Yes.
Twaso.
I beg you, or the other way, I wada. Obako, Aquacusia, and if I such a phone, a man for a. Yeah, a few drops to be seen at the so. Almost a best share or more ever. If he does say, I'll see a Baconia Cusia, Achima, and a half of one. I saw a Bacosia moving our Boakye, and I may admire Wada. If you had that, who must say a Timum, and that's sad meeting, you know, a Bacoma boom. Obesia Party Council of Elders and Patrons. I'll say, or more fata to say, communicators in the idea, and I may admit, don't make a meeting. They are really in our command. So the open terminity. Ubusama and Tenton saying a meeting it here.
Meda say, Dennis Kwakwa, you better say the Comobile. Now, a former police detective, Ade Akye Abia, someone an Apia, or say MPP was naked under then Deputy IGP Christian Woyohunu. What can say me was assassin radio. Say, IGP, Deputy IGP Christian Yohunu, or catch there or pay say MPP was naked under him because he was allegedly leaking information to the NDC during Anado's regime. It is a never IGP. Man, MPP ni bia wanwa. Ono a former police detective Samuel Anapia also ono na ka se boy. Yohunu fi so oboa on fama wo so. Azante akwaba. Ya akwaba. Azante. Ya wi ansem abetoja ye mu boss na ye ntimi pagya ye mu ntem na ye makwan ma sports for nimra.
Amam pacho. The Malaysia say ye teacher for no de no. Aha adwene.
Aha 8 to 12 months. A whole 1 year.
Bosume nwatwe na akatua ma.
Ghana has to say.
Enkura yi sabio omo ye adwuma bu wo ho a. Bebi okọ handa no kra no eye krom finfin sebia kumase ya se wote ashtown ni sa ya ho miam enema na edin se nipa no sebe obetimi enya sa na ma we senti enya apense social amenities obe enjoy ho kane ade entimi de mesre aban na omo hwe na mo na mabu ni bre de memeka biem ni se oman ade ba ko ni se ya na mpimpi no yomoka che se omanya financial clearance me point ni no se aban no atwa sika edi mama omo se mo ko edi bitu amaka enti ya na sika na ba ene eko accountant general ho na won fa ma na anache sika no eba na obi su ti aso ana these are some of the questions sir omo yehu because changing government abadie eno so nkyere se ene maybe was say nipa bi ye beboa ma mabu no ho atowo mo a yenye because obi ye adwuma ena omo so adwuma omo ye sebio ya enye sika bi edan chen se bi a obi ebenya bibi wo taku ni simpo bi wo nchen obi wo ha sika o events adwuma wo ye no wonye sika bi emfiri nchen so ati se adwuma wo ye no dididie o
that's right
se bi a obi ho wo ye adwuma bi wo nchen se obenya tefa bi wo nchen na katua no a
o
ebi ni ba bia eba enti se wo be adwuma bosome nwotwe pa se bosi egu o mo chinya agro wo mo ni nurses fo ya na musu
na se ma me fo ni bi kra de o mo mpo mani ma hwe o wa yo school 8 months or that social
so basa na teacher ni ba find enyema piaba we also expected them to deliver say emfa ho any conditions and teacher fo na mu nyina e pese o mbo ho modern na o be na bo ho modern ntimi the message say empadinfo de o be so mo ye o mo nye o mo si match o mo ye validation ma validate o ma wie die na aka biem my biometric my validation
I redrusu
say accountant general ho na sika no so aba ena omo so afa kwa bi so delay asem na sika no omo teacher for hu no mo bre dan say ya na nurse fo ba besu sa say omo ne nurse fo nyoma ketua ma yo boso ngo
am I boso
nti aban ye hu bibi Minister of Health honorable Akando any honorable Haruna Drisu munye hu bibi
na finance
minister Ate munye de sem na mabu ne bre Ghana ye den na se be wasa ye adwuma yintu aneka no se be won ko bol kono na nti ho de dem DC no o man kakra America aka hu biemu ye another issue be boy mama
Kwabran Kokofu say also mu change leadership.
Oh, answer no
na sewi ahene.
Sewi
na Kwaku amankwasa
ko. Yeah, o man sewi ahene de no. Asem na areho. Say na na sikese di mfidia begu ho.
Dem fidie no expiring date.
Expiring date.
Obi ayi na ni.
Na obi ayi na ni.
Air conditions every na chene.
Ka say kwan, me kai pa o mo ka say kwan na enye. Ama mo ka say kwan say no. Ya ye. Ese di na di hye bi.
Yes, plant. Yeah, the plant abesi wo.
Enti say no omaye aye ahoma ne yenya ene apaso ene de kwatwam ena yenya na say de ente ye kwatwam me de bi o me question no me ntiase
na so udi busa
say bia omo ahoma
why can't they operationalize Sevilla Hospital and say oba mie na NP before so oba wia
say apaso ne ahoma nkwan ya bo ma me ka no pese me pe bia ma wo mo ne o mu kwatwam
they ribbon no
kwani say because na ke dey bibia ya radio ana dey no cross so no wo share na wo ya wo manipa no koma o motim nya na ba hu problems ahodo bi a o so mo resolve
now fix it
na say na esi wo nyina enfudie no erase the same as afaridie
hu die
ko so mo say October no ombe commissioner mete as of March o baby so mo wi ade na aka biem o adai e maburu ipadwuma ye na ya brana na mebia kwaso sa ne se nana yi meka dis about second nana be kasa se nwesi ha adwen se muno event say japadi obesu beso aso na abone be kasa ye ho
on se basa ho e be bie se wi am kra o the name se wi ano e be gidin
say e be se wi government hospital
yes se dina da so no yes se wi anya Asante regional hospital dey mo obi abeka se wako hospital na wo se wi kwalebu se no ano la polyclinic la
sa ko na fe sa se kura ho nyina ne bo no so be ko
aveli bo be peja abana na so ya gaga se wa se na so wo kasa ya obrem kasa na kasa kwa na kasa
Akutagesa hospital na last our president Akufo-Addo ekobie anza na ozo refri akunya na
e say we house ye mi o
akuta okobie
okoho but ya obie
Google it
say na okobie say okobie
yes ebeka 2 days am Akufo-Addo akono oni sam no say mensa ko hokobie ano
no obie say
da minim
say ya what they share you for nsa Ghana Health
Service you can somebody you hand it over no more personalize
komisi ma contractors ne declare taba
say ye
omunye
contractors be from say
no if contractors lead
ati contractor na
be ye legal tussle between contractors ne aban no so omunye adwuma no nti ade na president Akufo-Addo akwakoye no illegal
say the president was misled.
He was misled by why?
Say anya regional minister and Nkofo na mama mpanyi hu dia. He was misled. Second commission beba and
so hospital wa ye dia bo ye de akota first plan say no. This hospital was commissioned by President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo on this date ebo na no me call nebo ebo sap date ni na me ya say dada na me fu adum ka otwae no na ede by akota President Akufo-Addo e be ka say 3 days so say 2 days amana ko oba sorry wo Kumase no pon Sunday na no ne sam no say mensa ko ekobia no pe eni mfuni no omode ato no rebe no
Nanado, okay, to Obetwa ne actually this hospital was commissioned.
Mo intimfidia na egu honum ni o. De na na ka ho asem a na ni abre se.
Eti Nanado ko bie Sevilla Hospital.
Ko bie obekro na.
Okay, na mpacho obi ano no e na omo say it is yet to be operationalized.
E na contractors ni so omo nwie. Minima de a.
Eti obi ano na contractors ni ho.
Na contractors ni ho. he went there
Now how?
with the then regional minister.
Minimum. Na ede na utimi ko bi ade anu abra.
Let me put some say, Sasewua Hospital no, any Aferi Hospital no. Akota edi ade pa nete hospital no so. Edi ade pa where now no Saturday you see a National Sanitation Day. Me follow kakra. Na atwman is atwman will be just south and answer north. Atwman will be just north. Enkawe DC south okay. Omuko Aferi Hospital ho. Say akota omuko clinic. Na kuta enwura
Aferi.
Just enwura nefu ameya kata hospital no so. Enwura nefu
Yadio. 5th January. President Akufo-Addo commissions 250 bed
aka 2 days
Ashanti Regional Hospital and infectious disease centers in Sewia and Chapatre. And so on Saturday, 4th January, the president commissioned the 250 bed Ashanti Regional Hospital and a 50 bed infectious disease center.
Unse me kwara me ka Sunday. E si weekend. Me kai pa si weekend na.
President Akufo-Addo charged workers and the chiefs and people of the area. And now workers no more.
Me nim baby hospital ni yes ka ho asem say.
Na me Chief of Sewia. Nana Kwaku Amankwa was grateful for president.
No.
Said Nana the no president Belonchia. The obe one say and bibia ready. The honor lamentation here say no man penny baby and no other now hospital no operationalized.
Me seen hospital no that so no more. Yesu who say
it was say oduchum. So na MP ho.
Any area.
It regional minister the oni ho. We na djuma. O say oduchum is still the member of parliament. What is he saying about it? Two, Comrade Jakando. What is he saying about it? Ghana has service in penny for the normal kafa. Because Oman penny down you are the share monsa. And our contractors no say Omunye. Okay, and the contractors no from January to this time no. And they are almost why home. And I buy no buy like I told you Omunche because Oman penny abe share asantime ura bosse. Project a hospital project about Sewia about ferry about interchange any from market anamebwa what's about so after 7 months no what is it
akota problem ne say sika bi o ho was say e koba bi ene nkoye so hu sika bi o ho no mo a ida say adwuma ketua bi me kai pass Sewua na conditions ni emienu ekwan bi a omuso omu yi ato se eduru ba bi krakwa manso ida se ye be yi ato ka university akiri ho anase ye be yi ato the main atonsu odi rasa wa kronim no e de akọ ye se omde ma ida Kofi Job or Joseph me
and I think Kofi Job
yes omde ma no se onye sa akwan ne enko hospital so bridge bi ni ade nyina wom so mawie so mwie ne mi ntimi nkire na konta the other one so has to do with yes a transformer. Say almost so machines in our hospital na yes so munya problem with light around communities na honomo no nti omne ECG4 kan say also omo say transformer bi plant bi na eboa the
Simon
same
told us say omaye wie ECG has put that plant there and to see ano say we are community ni kra no say almost so kania no near my life so far say we are community na be power
so
now that problem is resolved
and no Aferi now was similar
that problem is resolved say we are community no say base e ma yedum kania no almost so hospital kania na say we are for nyina benya kania say no yes so I don't get it lip service too much. One way I bet one way I kakra and fear naiba. That's a real hospital.
Ebeba, the ekika kone de.
Omanpenny John Mama was chef Bobia. Onye no ni so because so yes I dey we any monyam shema no.
Yet ha so a your nurses esu epe posting.
250 bed, you bet my for nurses more than 300 400.
250 bed. Say
50 a bed disease infection center so
esa ho ani nyina start say ye adwuma Aferi ne say we start to say
yeah man yare ho pa
ni say for befa be 100 nurses
yeah the man yare ho pa ni say Confanoche is under stressed as overstressed
12 regions
say
and I referral yes
omun dani ajade meanwhile you we hospital we see all this while after
but Yahweh mesre Confanoche you see a pressure be abaho on say na fidelity for na omo eti omo sika ma wo change of government by akwa kodi ayo UMB for
UMB no so say
investor be chan bank
oh okay
so the what you say oniandea
ne best
eti kodi omo no fidelity for no kono so some information say omo so delete omo copies omo soft copy no
no mo de gigiska
hospital ho no ti UMB for na fe no mbe install omo de na be 1 week ni yaw
pressure
utie sika kwaje aduro Confanoche
o this year da ho no no
e
bra na
e bit me delay from an opako panum na yanyi ni sika
Confanoche de omo
honsem de Confanoche e kuro
because yaw e was say accounts no e ko
UMB ho
UMB so say oniadea
ene se ne obey
say omo say NPP ekufuado de ejapade to we so ma tro book oniadea ah we what kind book ni me ho oniadea ba said last year na sankofa any black voter no general from say Ibrahim company
engineers and
planners has finally taken over and I'm for atros here oniadea almost why a book and I mama tiba na Ibrahim suba ejapade book no oniadea we oniadea I was for your daddy who apa Ghana is funny we joke with everything yeah call abana I want to believe say by this time park receding and pending for resolve. Okay. But last week in easy 3 hours 5 hours now delay so
wow
now we staff now you so ko do obi dey atua you see a mouse so e bo abomo
na we cry life and death asemo obi this year da ho no mo a obetu
sika no na da ko fa oniadia ensem na ba no
oh Ghana
then I say investor be chan bank na ye tua sika fa ho fidelity no then na si
na okay ade no mo fa bi meka ho say bia e di word
fidelity for so delete o mo fidie ni nyina mo soft copy
central banks ni
e be 304
investor be chan bank o sika ni ko bank one man oniadea e gala de do
even at talk say banks ni kwa ye operation
e bi so MPP ba na company na bank bi dia na wine no KNUST MPP ba na Unibank and omo jiji sika
me kai so omo ye students ID
omo kolebu be kai A plus kaka sabe be say yaji
me kai
every bank be same the ama fidelity ni why there some banks are associated with some government
banks me plus omo ye
I tell you it is the fidelity from come and to be a ejema omo see how oniadea I was here for I brought the friend Orlando no oba
Black Stars o my
oba trat o no some engineer o sando do coach ni ye ni coach o ye ni coach the guy you near no so nya nsemu no ada ye change ade yi Black Stars dey o ma japade o ya change now to tone sasa change so ye no ye nyina agitum senye what you could do now yi Jordan no say yi semenyo boy ya oba mu ana push boy pai ni tinyu abo my friend say Joseph Pacey only ball what bench Abrante bia come on din there ya kwase abo bi obo ya Abrante ya dash your friend say can we come on din your match bi o ka hu bi me ye say kumase ya sada bitumi tumi hu rat ayini ma ho enso so akwa abrocha no akose go mienu na ye samrante we mu a your friend say Orlando mo cha se sia kama di the we kanda kaka say you teacher kakra ma ho no so edi 26 years Can no everybody 26-year-old. Yeah, 28-year-old. Benjamin. I was your